Hello, welcome back. This is Rafsanujaman. In this video, I'll show you how to put stirrups in beam. So this is my first floor. This is my first floor beam. For putting stirrups, I have to go to the structure, then river. Then here I have to select the river bar. River bar is supposed to be 10 mm. Sometimes we use 12 mm and sometimes we use 10 mm. It's depend on the main bar which one we are going to use. So let's find out the shape. 52. This is the shape of a stirrups. Select this one. Near to cover, perpendicular to cover. Okay, I can start it from column and beam joint. Hit escape button. I put it there. Let's click these stirrups. Go to the 3D. Select these stirrups. Press the space button. So the hook supposed to be up. Now select this one again. Okay, let me describe what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put stirrups. I'll keep minimum distance in the case of joint, and in the case of midsection I'll keep maximum distance. So basically I'm going to divide this beam in three part. This is joint part, this is mid, this is joint. So here it will be minimum, here it will be maximum, and here it will be minimum again. So minimum space I will give 4 inch. So I can do it in many way. If I don't want to work a lot, then I can do a shortcut. Let me show the shortcut first. Like, okay, I have to select these stirrups, then the option will come. Here. So if I don't want to do that type of work, like in the case of joint, putting or keeping minimum distance, midsection maximum distance, it would be economical if I do that. So if I don't want to do that in the Revit, then I can do like, if I give this one maximum specifying 4 inch, it will take whole thing 4 inch, whole beam. But in that case I can't keep the hook in zigzag manner, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll take the undo option. Okay, save the project. Okay, so select the stirrups, press space bar, and then come here, add the reverse side. You will get number with a spacing. First I will keep the spacing 8 inch. The reason behind that I will explain it later. And the bar I'm gonna keep 6. Okay, so go to the floor plan. Here you can see. Now hit the escape button, select this stirrups category, take the copy option. Now I'll put it at 4 inch distance. Now if you go to the 3D, then you can see the stirrups to stirrups distance is 4 inch, but why I did that, let me show you. I can select this category, I can select this category. If I select this one, then it will take all the similar category. I will press space button and you can see the hook it goes to the other side. So I want to keep it like that way. Hook supposed to be zigzag manner, and it is good practice to prevent earthquake force. So let me do that in shortcut way. Select this one and hold your control button, select the other, select every stirrups here. Then I'm going to mirror draw axis, find out the mid, then go to the 3D. You can see the other joints, other side of the joint, it's done. So go to the first floor. Now I will put another river. I'll keep it here first for the reference. Now escape button, select the single one. I'm gonna move that at 8 inch, because in the mid section I will keep it 8 inch center to center. So go to 3D, hook, it's supposed to be up, select, and I pressed the space button, now it's there. So I want to keep this one also in zigzag manner. So I'll do the same before, like number with a spacing. I want to keep here 8 inch center to center. So because I want to keep it in zigzag manner, that's why I'm putting the spacing in 16 inch, and quantity I'll keep 3. Okay, go to the first floor, plan, it's already selected. Take the copy option, select this, put it at 8 inch, hit enter. Go to 3D, it's already selected. Hit the press the space button. Now it's in zigzag manner. So you can see it's spacing little space here. Go to the first floor. So I can keep this one quantity 4, apply. Yep, that's it. So this is the correct practice to put stirrups, because in the case of joint the crack will appear in 45-degree angle, and this stirrups is going to prevent that. That's why we are going to keep minimum distance here, and in the mid section the crack will appear in 90-degree angle. So these stirrups can't prevent that. That's why we are going to keep these stirrups here as a binder, the main bar, supporting for main bar, and again same as the joint section, it will appear 45-degree angle. That's why we keep minimum space. So this is my project 51, and I'm working on that. Soon I will finish that, then I'll make another video. Thank you for watching this video. See you later. Thank you. Bye bye.